Weird. All right. So in this little video, I'm going to show you how to get this photo that you're going to use for editing into Lightroom. Okay. So you're going to click on it, and then you have to click on it. You can't just right click and download. That's not going to work. So you have to click on the photo, and then at the bottom of that photo, it'll say download image. Okay. And it's going to bring it into your downloads. If I look here, I can click on that folder, and that will open up my downloads folder. All right, I need to get this HD Safari or whatever I need to get this image, this file right here. I need to get it into my new photos folder. So I'm going to click here. You should have it set up here, new photos. I'm going to open that, drag this over. I'm going to bring this over here and let go. So now I have HD Safari in my downloads, in my new photos folder. All right, I'm going to go into Lightroom, open that up. Library, develop, map. Okay, I'm going to go to the library first. I'm going to hit import. I've already have mine set up. Yours probably won't look like this right away. So I have to go in here and I have to go to Maple Grove Senior Save Drive. So J drive. I need to find Nelson. 2425. First hour, because that's where I saved mine. Nelson Jeff. New photos. Right? There's my photo. That's the image that I want right there. You may have stuff in here and you may not. But you should have, at the very least, you should have this photo right here, the HD Safari. I'm going to uncheck all because the only one I want to bring in is this photo. I'm going to check on the photo I want to bring in, and then I hit import. Now I can start developing this photo. From here, start watching the tutorial. There you go.